for joining me today. Today we are looking at how we can create a logo in Photoshop. This is very simple, so I'm going to take my time to do this. You can also practice it, okay? If you want to get inspirations, you can just go online, then you Google for logos. You will get a lot of logos out there. As time goes on, I'll teach you how you can create logos in simplest way. So make sure you do well and stay connected to this channel because this is where we give you the inspirations and at the same time teach you how to do it. That's much I do. Let's do something right now. So what I will do right now here is I'll come here, then I'll go for this ellipse tool. I'll make sure I set the fill to 0. I mean nothing. Then I set the stroke to black. I'll increase the size of the stroke by dragging this one, okay, to maybe 10. Then I'll come to the working area or my canvas. Then I'll drag this. I'll just create any ellipse, okay, like this. So when I finish this, I'll just position this one right here. I want to increase the size, okay. So you can make sure you increase the size to any way you want it, okay. So I like it this way. Then what I'm going to do right now here is I'll just make a copy of this. So Control J. Then I'll transform this. I'll reduce the size. Just drag this one up like this. Halfway is okay. Halfway. It should be more than half like this. Then make a copy again of this one. Control J. Then push this one downwards so that you get this intersection here. So what we are going to do right now here is to select the two ellipses that we created. I mean this small ellipse, this and this. Then we will make a copy of that. So after making a copy, we will just try to rotate that by pressing Ctrl T. Then you can rotate this one. So you can see that the angle is changing here. It is going like minus 90. Minus 90. So I'll hit minus 90 there to confirm. So we have something like this. So as you can see, this work looks very confusing, and so what we are going to do right now is we are going to hold the shift key and select everything here, okay. Right click on this and convert this one to smart object. Now from here there are lots of ways to do this, but preferably I like using the pen tool to complete every section here. So what I'm going to do right now here is I'll go for the pen tool. Then I'm going to trace it. So I'll start here. Then I'll create another point here. I'll create another point here. Okay, it is very confusing. So just observe whatever I'm doing here. Then create another point here. That's why I said we have so many ways of doing this, but I prefer using the pen tool to do this. So I'll come here and then I'll go for this curvature tool. Right now what I'm going to do is I'll just need this curve, okay. So we are just tracing everything there. So I need this curve. So from there we need this curve from here to here, okay. From this point to this point we need that curve. So I'll place the curvature here. Now we need this curve from here going upwards, so we can pick the curvature from here and then create this curve. We have that one. So now what we are going to do right now is we can hide this one, okay. Then from here we can select the uppermost one. Then we will go to this side and change the gradient to this, so that we get something like this. Now what we're going to do right now is we need to change the gradient direction. So press U, then go to this side. The gradient, change it to linear, so that we have something like this. So this is the gradient I'm using. If you want to create the gradient, this is the very simple way you can do that. I'll double click on this one, then I'll choose the color from here. So let's say we need this pink color, so I'll choose from the darkest part here. Okay, I'll do same for this one. I'll go for the same pink color, and I'll choose from this. It is best you copy the color code here so that you can get a matching color. So let's go back here and then copy this color code. Then I'll double click on this, then I'll paste that color code here. Then I'll come to the middle, I'll paste the color code there. Then I will bring color up here. Good. So that we have something like this. So now that we have created our moon shape and then our gradient, what we are going to do right now here is make a copy of this. So Control J. Now rotate this by pressing Control T, then come here and rotate it 90. Okay, and press confirm here, then drag this one right here. So you just position this one here. Now make another copy, another round shape. Control J, then rotate that one to 90. Then position that one right here. Then make a copy of this. Then rotate that one to 90. Now bring this one right here. Now look at what we have. Very nice and perfect design right here. So you can select all this, hold the shift key, select everything here, then right click on this, convert to smart object. Okay, when you convert to smart objects, you can work on it anytime you want and make any changes you want. Okay, so I'll just reduce the size and I'll just create simple shadow beneath this one. So and I'll reduce the opacity for my shadow. So this is simple way of creating this particular logo. It looks very complex but very simple. And fellas, please, I'll see you in our coming